Irvine. Who recognizes this mug? Actually, it's going to overflow. I got a single Keurig coffee maker. I still haven't figured out how to use it. So occasionally I have an overflow. This was Mom's little dainty coffee cup. And so, yeah, this is a corner of my kitchen. This is a picture of me and Harley that she drew. I look kind of like a lion. That's a while ago now. Same here. And here's my refrigerator. The side of it anyways. I think I have this many magnets and pictures so that it covers up how gross it looks. Anyways, that came out of Spin Magazine. I have to send that to Jonathan a long time ago. This was on my car from 9/11. I got it about a week after 9/11. Here is the front of my fridge. Jeremy, my friend Joe, who's an Army Ranger. Grampy. Hannah's badge from Friendly saying what her favorite ice cream was. Various magnets. Our one and only pool we ever had at 90 Milford Street. Wedding invitations, if they hopefully are going to occur. Of course, Batman. Old Christmas card. Early. Another save the date. More pictures. Pictures. More magnets. This is when the twins were born, and I had to wear that badge. My note for Harley. When she comes over, she can see it. Yes, still love the Patriots, even though my heart is broken. More down there. This side, Michael Russell. That came from Soulfest when you went and you had your own parking spot. I stole that and Harley decorated it. Other various random things. Harley at our church when she was a baby. We'd get a sticker for her. So during the sermon we would know if she needed help. We had to go out, and Hannah created this thing for me. It's supposed to say breathe, but she left off the E, so it actually says breath. Shh. Don't tell her, I still giggle at that. And then my favorite. Yeah, so wasn't planning on this, but that's my fridge and that's my coffee cup. Love you guys. Have a good day. Bye.